aftermath of the Pahalgam attack, a crucial Union Cabinet meet is going to be held tomorrow. This is going to be happening at the Prime Minister's residence. The Union Cabinet is going to meet at 7 LKM at 11 AM tomorrow. It's a big message coming in from, India's side. A resolution is going to be moved to express condolences for all of those who have lost their lives in the Pahalgam attack. A big message is going, India's way. A big message coming in from the Union Cabinet that we stand in solidarity. We stand with the victims of the Pahalgam attack, and their death will not go in vain. Pakistan will pay. Pragya joining us live on the broadcast. Pragya, very, very significant Union Cabinet meet lined up tomorrow. A resolution is going to be moved expressing condolences for all those who have lost their lives in the Pahalgam attack. This is also a strong message going, Pakistan, its proxies ways, isn't it? That India stands with the victims and it's going to be payback time for Pakistan very soon.
Well, absolutely, and every Wednesday when Cabinet meets, they also talk about the relevant issues, in fact, apart from the policy matters. But being in midst of the Pahalgam terror attack and the repercussions of that, we are given to understand that sources are saying that there is a resolution that will be moved, and obviously condolences are going to be expressed for all the victims and towards the family of those victims. It is also a gesture on the part of the Union Cabinet expressing their solidarity with the families of the victims, and also thereby also expressing their pain and their hurt also, and also sharing their sadness. This is what they have been, the Cabinet also will be doing tomorrow. And not just that, before any meeting, remember there was a meeting before that, all-party meeting, where 2-minute silence was also observed when Mr. Rajnath Singh was chairing that all-party meeting. So there is a sense of feeling of hurt and sadness, and apart from that, anger also as far as this terror attack is concerned. And now both Rahul Gandhi, who is leader of opposition, and Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge has written to the government saying that they want special session, and Government of India is also saying that they are not considering it as of now, because they have made the matter light with their statements. All the leaders who are speaking in tone of Pakistan, and also Pakistan is quoting them. In fact, most of them being the Congress leaders, they're also they're also doubting the intent of opposition as far as this special session is concerned, is what we are gathering from our sources. Because at the time of all party meeting, they all said that we are one voice and we stand with the government. But after that, things changed. There had been many reactions coming from many Congress leaders, which does not sound like the one that was aired and voiced by LOP, Mr. Rahul Gandhi and Mallikarjun Kharge. So there is always also a doubt on the intention of the opposition in demanding this special session.
Absolutely, Pragya. Thank you for joining us with all these details.